I'm Dr. Ruth Doughty, I'm Programme Leader for Film Studies, and the Roscoe Lecture that I delivered today was about the history of the Littlewoods Empire, in particular Sir John Moore and his brother Cecil Moore. It's been wonderful because so many of our students don't actually know why the university is named after John Moores. So to be actually able to do an intergenerational research project where we've got students working with former employees, it's just been wonderful. We've done a series of oral history interviews. We've digitised 3,300 vintage photographs, documents, marketing materials. We've created a community film. It's just been a wonderful project, but at the heart of it is community, and the community of Littlewoodies have really welcomed us and supported us, and they've shared so many wonderful stories that still really resonate today. We've got a Facebook community, so the Littlewoods Heritage Project, that's a really great place to start because anything that we're doing you can find out about. If you search for Littlewoods Heritage Project, you will also find a website, and on that website you can find links to the films, snippets from the oral history interviews, a lot of historical details, and also access to the digital archive, which is held at the LJMU Special Collections.